Sorry. Call mom, please.
Me a link her right now. Hello, good afternoon. God bless.
Mommy, good evening.
Musled.
Happy Mother's Day, mommy. I just want to say that I love you and thank you for everything that you do.
Musled, thank you so much and thanks for calling me. I really appreciate it. And thanks for all
mommy,
you
you're
do.
welcome, you're welcome.
So yeah, I'm go cook for the wife now, right?
No, I'm still at work, but I'm going to call you right now.
And you try and make sure say you come upon Father's Day too. Because when me breed with you and decide to mega have you, since me push out, me see that dirty drunk
Mommy, just enjoy the moment.
Muscle leg, man, enjoy the moment. Nothing can block my joy right now, me I feel. But you talk to him enough time since you
No, mommy, I only couple times when I talk to him, not enough.
None of them kids them mention him when you want them talk?
No, mom.
Alright, so when I tell us him is a deadbeat sperm donor, who you call upon Father's Day?
You, I call upon Father's Day too.
Yes, me, make sure you call me because there is no time Dick or Harry to be found when we have you.
Alright, mommy, just enjoy the day, alright? May I try come see after work, alright?
No bother rush me for the phone, you was me like a handbag. Me just try and make you know.
Alright, mommy.
Alright, goodbye.
Bye, mom, I love you. Jesus, peace.